Hi everyone, this is Hunyah Travels and today I'll be making jalapeno and pickle chips in the air fryer. It's a really easy recipe, anyone can make it. It's been a while recipe, so I thought I'd make it. This is a really easy recipe. What you need is all-purpose flour, which I have here, breadcrumbs, a little bit of seasoning, that is these ones, a little bit of oregano leaves, Cajun and red chili flakes, pickles, and jalapeno slices. So first, put breadcrumbs in a small bowl, not too many, just a few breadcrumbs there because I'm not using too many of them, and have them in a side so you have two bowls ready that look like this. Next, add in some Cajun seasoning, not too much, some red chili flakes, and some Italian seasoning. Some oregano leaves or any kind of herbs. And now it's ready to be mixed. Now begin mixing the mixture until it's become seasoned flour, like this. Now add in 1 egg. Now start mixing the egg with the flour and gradually add in a little bit of water. So a little bit of water and mix that through until the egg yolk and everything mixes into the flour, making it into a batter. So now you can see it's coming in. Not too thick and not too thin, otherwise it'll be a very slim batter. So it has to be a very thin batter. So that way it doesn't become, that way it's thick enough to actually put into the pickles and the jalapeno pickles, so the jalapeno and the pickle slices. So keep adding in water. You can see it's becoming thicker and thicker, not too much, just a little bit. Keep mixing. Now what you do is take a pickle and dip it into the batter like this. Make sure it fully covers in the batter. And then put it into the breadcrumbs like this. And put it on a side and continue. So now I'm going to take the jalapeno pickle, the jalapeno peppers. So I'm going to take one. I'm going to put it in. Cover this. I'm going to put it into the breadcrumbs. And just put it in the bowl and continue. Now continue. Take the pickle, dip it into the batter, and toss it into the breadcrumbs like this. And then take it out and put it in here, and then continue with the jalapeno pepper. So just take the jalapeno pepper, take this, dip it into the batter, and dip it into the breadcrumbs, and then take it out. Now, mixture is all ready to go into the air fryer, so I'm just going to set up the air fryer to 8 minutes. And it's going to preheat. To add in the food, so this goes into the air fryer, which you could see. That is like this. So this goes in here. So I'm just going to place all the pickles and jalapeno pepper like this into the air fryer. So just by hand, because right now I don't need to add in so much. So this and this, all these will be going into the air fryer looking like this. which you could see. And this goes into the air fryer for 8 minutes and let that begin. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to turn this so you can see it looks like this. So I'm just going to flip this around and you can see that they're forming into jalapeno and pickle chips. Should be very crispy with the breadcrumbs. So they're almost ready, which you could see. Jalapeno air fryer and pickle chips are done. They're ready to be taken out. So I'm just going to take them out. And can't wait to taste them. So you can see no oil, no nothing. It's made really quickly. They're golden brown. Now you can see the jalapeno air fryer, jalapeno and pickle chips are ready. They're done. For watching Hunyah Travels air fryer jalapeno and pickle chips video, be sure to watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Hunyah Travels is also on TikTok now too, so watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. And I hope you enjoy making these jalapeno air fryer and pickle chips. Thank you.